one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. It can be difficult to stay hopeful when you've been waiting for a long time, when you've been trusting with your heart, and yet the heart itself begins to close, it begins to protect itself, just in case it's expected too much, in case disappointment returns. And yet deep down there is still a longing to believe God, that God is not finished yet, that He is still writing the story of your life. And the Lord says, trust in me, trust that I am preparing you, that what I have started I will complete. I will bring forth fruitfulness in your life. I will bring forth my promises. Do not pull away now, for I am the Lord who is bringing fruit. I am the Lord who is keeping my promises. The words that I have spoken over you will not stay barren, but they will bring forth life, the life that I have promised. Know that I am with you, and that I am giving you my peace. I am with you, and I am blessing you anew this day. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen, or visit requestword.com.